If you're tired of worrying about what's happening around your car when you're not there, or simply want to record your entire drive in 4K detail, the BlackVue DR970X-X-1CH Plus II dashcam could be the answer. This high-tech device offers 4K UHD video recording, enhanced by STARVIS 2 and HDR technology. But does it really live up to its specs? Let's break it down. The BlackVue DR970X-1CH Plus II offers some of the most advanced recording features we've seen in a dashcam. It promises ultra-sharp 4K UHD video, powered by the STARVIS 2 sensor and HDR technology, ensuring clear footage both day and night. Whether you're driving through bright city streets or in low-light conditions, this camera captures the fine details like license plates with impressive accuracy. One of the key selling points here is the ease of use. The camera supports Wi-Fi and cloud connectivity, meaning you can instantly view or download footage to your phone. Setting it up is a breeze with fast Wi-Fi pairing, and if you opt for the CM100G LTE module, you can access BlackVue cloud features such as live view, remote playback, and real-time push notifications. Great for peace of mind while you're away from the car. For installation, BlackVue has made it easier than ever. The DR970X-1CH Plus II boots up quickly, getting ready to record almost instantly after you start your car. Plus, it uses a USB-C connection, providing a secure and neat installation process. There's no complicated wiring, just plug it in and go. When it comes to storage, the DR970X-1CH Plus II supports up to 1 terabyte of microSD storage, so you won't have to worry about running out of space on long trips. The combination of 4K video and HEVC H.265 encoding keeps file sizes manageable without sacrificing the crisp quality of your footage, so you can confidently record without the risk of losing key details. Now, like any product, the BlackVue DR970X-1CH Plus II has its pros and cons. Let's take a look. Pros: stunning 4K video quality with STARVIS 2 and HDR for excellent clarity in both bright and low light conditions. Easy installation and fast boot time, meaning it's up and recording almost immediately. Wi-Fi and cloud connectivity for easy video playback and access to remote features like real-time notifications. Supports large storage capacities up to 1 terabyte, perfect for long trips or extended parking mode use. Cons: the cloud features require the optional CM100G LTE module, adding to the cost. The price point is on the higher end for dashcams, making it a significant investment for some buyers. Value for money: the DR970X-1CH Plus II is certainly a premium dashcam, and its price reflects that. The quality of the 4K footage, combined with features like cloud access and fast booting, justifies the cost for those who want the best in terms of safety and convenience. However, it may not be the best fit for someone on a tight budget. Build quality and longevity: BlackVue is known for making high-quality, yet reliable products, and this model is no exception. The sturdy construction and thoughtful design suggest that it's built to last. But we don't yet have long-term data on this particular model's durability. Based on the brand's reputation, though, we can expect solid reliability over time. Customer support: BlackVue has a generally good reputation for customer support. While we didn't personally have to interact with their support team, the company's reputation, along with feedback from users, indicates that assistance is responsive when needed. Who it's for: this dashcam is best for those who prioritize top-tier video quality and easy access to their footage via the cloud. If you're a daily commuter or a road tripper who values security, or someone who wants to monitor their car remotely, the DR970X-1CH Plus II offers significant peace of mind. It's not ideal for budget-conscious buyers who might find the premium price tag hard to justify. Conclusion: strong option. The BlackVue DR970X-1CH Plus II is a solid choice for anyone seeking premium 4K dashcam performance with smart connectivity features. If you value high-definition video, fast installation, and access to cloud features, this is one of the best options in its class. If you're on a budget, however, you may want to consider more affordable alternatives. If this breakdown is helping you out and you want to stay up to date with the latest tech for your ride, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell icon to stay in the fast lane for fresh reviews. Thanks for watching. Remember, links to the product mentioned are in the description. If you've got any thoughts or experiences with the BlackVue DR970X-1CH Plus II, Drop them in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay autovated.